Here in my newly updated bird bath, we have the Wren visiting, and he's decided to take a bath. As you can see, he hops into the guttering that I installed around there with stones on it, and he has the flow of the water, and as you can see, he's going in underneath the flow of the water. He loves to just feel the water flowing and it going under him, so I'm not surprised to see him there. I just wish I had the hanging feeder out of the way, because I feel I'm missing quite a lot of the good shots, but time will tell, as there's a few more upgrades to go. So I'll keep you all interested, and hope you like watching. Thanks. Follow for more updates.